Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you where we can check the information about this camera. So at the first we have to open the notification bar, go right here to open the settings, and right now we have to scroll down, and here we get the camera info option, so let's click on it. And here you can check the currently model and also the firmware of the camera. And if you want to get more info, you can just put the model to your browser, and then you will be able to check all of the data. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.